The power of emotional intelligence in personal development. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It is a crucial aspect of personal development, as it allows us to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and effectiveness. One of the key benefits of developing emotional intelligence is the ability to build stronger relationships. People with high EQ are able to communicate effectively, empathize with others, and resolve conflicts in a constructive manner. This leads to stronger connections with family, friends, and colleagues, which in turn can lead to greater success in both personal and professional life. Another benefit of emotional intelligence is the ability to better manage stress and negative emotions. When we understand and can regulate our own emotions, we are less likely to be overwhelmed by them. This allows us to approach challenging situations with a clear head and a positive attitude, which can lead to better decision-making and problem-solving. So, how can we build our emotional intelligence? One effective way is through mindfulness practices such as meditation or journaling. These techniques help us become more aware of our thoughts and feelings, and can teach us how to manage them in a healthy way. Additionally, seeking feedback from others and learning to take responsibility for our own emotions can also be beneficial in developing our EQ. Incorporating emotional intelligence practices into our personal development journey can lead to a greater sense of well-being and fulfillment. By learning to understand and manage our own emotions and the emotions of others, we can build stronger relationships, better cope with stress, and make more effective decisions in life. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.